speech. It's only fair ukuthi masiza kulama platforms ingane zakwethu singazeli ukuzothuka inhlamba. Mina ngithuka inhlamba kulama platform. But into engiyenzayo ngikhuluma iqiniso elizwakala ngathi leyinhlamba. Yabo? And mina into engifuna ukuyicacisa kwisizwe sonke silalele. Guys, lento ngihlale ngisho nakuma video engiwapostayo. Akekho umuntu perfect. Akekho umuntu perfect. Sonke sifunda ngamaphutha. Nisibona sesikwazi ukubhodla iqiniso kanje sayiphila impilo yamanga. Impilo yamanga zange izisilide le ndawo. Impilo yamanga zange izisibonisa into mhlawumbe esingathi productive ngokuyiphila. Yabo? So manje instead of ukuthi siloke sishumayela into ngcono siyikhulume siyiphile into esiyikhuluma ngomlomo. Mina abantu abangaziyo wena mfethu wena Tinubu bazokutshela abantu abangaziyo abaclose nami ukuthi yabona vese ngihlezi ngisho lento enganeni ezincane mngane yami khohlwa. Ya understand? Enganeni ezincane bafethu hayi ake ninikeze izingane ithuba lokukhula. Zididiswe ontanga bazo at least. Brian, luthini uvolo wakho ku-topic yanamhlanje? Brian. Uthile futhi kuma comments inkinga ke abantu abafuna ukukhuluma ngaleyo ndaba. Phela iqiniso ngesilibalekele ungunaphakade bafowethu. Yabona iqiniso. Iqiniso sizokulibalekela ingunaphakade ngenza ukuthi kumele swathinta ama topic I thought provoking. I understand. Kumele uthi ngibuka ukuthi ngifunda ama comment encane. Usazoba nzima ukukhuluma cause sidlinga lecane. Yazi kahlekwa noma kufiwe emadoda. Emadoda namhlanje singabezukulu singobaba, singomalume. Yayibona leyo nto leyo singobhuti kwi-society. Iqiniso iyona ndlela ezosiphilisa le. As much as libaba, as much as libhlungu. Kodwa if usifuna ukubona futhi ushintsho lwenzeka phakathi empilweni zethu nakuma communities esiphila kuwona. Kosidinga ukuthi sibe isizwe sikwaziyo ukustamaka iqiniso. Singibona. Laba abantu bayangena sikisibeze ukuthi bathini King.
Hola.
Come on.
Khambe next baba. Ngathi awuthi ngene mara ngiyangena ekseni sengithi angene ngoba ngiyabona bayabaleka yabo.
Sure kazi lapho.
Yeah, no, uma topic kanje kuzoba nzima ukuthi sikhulume ngoba siyazidla lezi ngane zithi zincane mfethu yabo. So nje mara mina ngifuna ukuveza konke engifuna ukuyiveza. Uyabona kuma video wakho mfethu. Hayi salute mfethu uqhubeke njalo mfethu because bathi ngokhosi omunye ngimbonile ukhothe ama video wakho lento bathatha personally kanti wena uya advise abantwana abasakhulayo ukuthi bengayi lapha ngoba laba ababuya lapha nothola ukuthi babeka engazathi lapha kuhle kumnandi wabona lento le. So nje abantu kumele bekhule sometimes nakukhona umuntu okhuluma izinto eziso bengabheki izinto ezimbi bebheke okuhle okuhle ngoku-advise wabona ngoba abantu abaningi abasa-advise manje bafike abantu aba-advisana right my brother bafike
Ngiyakuzwa gazi lami but i-topic la ikhona kakhulu namhlanje sekuthenini njengoba usho ukuthi niyazidla lezi ngane egqoka isikole uniform. Wena personally uke wakwenza lo?
Mina personally ngike ngakwenza mara hayi manje hayi angithi umuntu uyakhula mfethu manje nje hayi angisayifuna eduzane kwami yabo cause sengineyingane eyilingana uyayibona nje le ngifake lapho ku-profile ikhule kanjani so uyabona nangaletha umuntu ocishe abe ngayo kuyoba inkinga iyongibuka kanjani kusasa
unesikhathi wakuyeka vele noma?
Hayi ngesikhathi mfethu ngesikhathi because uyabona nabantwana bami bakhulile nase ngilokhu ngilethana nabantu abacishe bebe size yabo kuba inkinga bagcine sebengibuza bethi baba yini manje lento osilethela yona uyabona
No, ngiyabonga ngoba kwaba khona ukukhula esayidini lakho King. But le topic engifisa ukuthi ezisizwe singayibalekeli ingane zakwethu. Ngifuna ukuthi sikubone ukuthi ukulala nezingane ezincane ezifunda isikole sibadala sibangaka kulimaza isociety ukufika kiphi level lesingayinaki thina.
Yebo.
Ake ngiphe omunye nje ithuba before mina ngigonyuluka ngengikwaziyo bafethu. Ubani ofisa ukungenelela?
Hayi
Bakhona kwipanel.
Imina bhuti. Oh.
Awu, atheke.
Asinikaneni ithuba. Umi kade thule mi.
Alright.
Komonde, cha ngifisa nje ukubonga ngesibindi sakho nangokuthi ungumuntu owazi ukukhuluma iqiniso. Ngiyancomeka kuhle futhi Nkomonde because baningi abantu abangakwazi ukukhuluma iqiniso okwazile ukuthi ukukhuluma futhi abantu abaningi emhlabeni banovalo. Ilokho ebengifuna ukukudlulisa bese ngabadedela obhuti abanye bazokhuluma. Okunye ke ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlambe singabantu besifazane siqonde sikwazi futhi ukuthi kungabe yini eyenza abantu besilisa bafise ukulala nabantu abancane and kuyini futhi eyenza abantu besifazane because mina in my opinion I've seen that abantu besifazane even ngoba ngishilo ukuthi nasemdaweni zomsebenzi kukhona abantu besilisa abasakwazi ukuthatha iadvantage or ukuzama ukulala nezingane ezincane. Ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi sisizakala kanjani mayelana nezinto ezinjalo because not everything abantu bazovele bathi i-report but siyoshintsha kanjani umqondo womuntu. Ngiyabonga.
Ukhona ofisa ukuphendula kwipanel?
Hayi mina ngiyabhuti mina ninjani ngikhuluma noCele lana.
Sharp Cele.
Ya ngila eJozi nami. Hayi yazi webhuti mina into ebengingayisho bengathi yabo mfethu lento oyikhulumile inhle kakhulu and into emnandi ngayo iya circulator kuyimanje and ke wazi ukuthi iSouth Africa iqinisa lisho. Mawuveza amaqiniso uba umuntu omubi and kungenzeka noma yini ukuthi ungalifeka eSouth Africa yalifela iqiniso ukuthi ukhuluma into eyiqiniso and abanye abantu bayayibona and khona abantu abenza lonto leyo engekho right abazoba against lelo qiniso libekayo. So ke akukho kuthini engifuna ukusho but bengifisa ukuthi mina engathi mangathi abaku-invite any podcast bafuna ukuthi ushintshe leliqiniso osibeke kulona noma lamehlo ozame ukusivula ngawo ngoba khona izinto ezikhulumile ebesingakaze sizizwe ngejele yabo. ungathi ungangavuma nje ustick ekutheneni uphusha isipani sakho futhi ungasavuma kwamuntu ozothi uzoku-interviewa ngokuthi hey wendoda waye wakhuluma lento wayikhuluma ngoba iqiniso liyababa eSouth Africa kuyimanje ku-admitha ukuthi umfana akalale nomunye umfana but it's totally wrong mawukhuluma lonto kuthiwa hayi wena usazozala nje wethu ungavumi bakubize kuma-broadcast bazofuna ukuthi ushintshe le statement le report wasivezela yona siyi-South Africa because wasivezela ukuthi ngempela impilo ephilile injani and kuyiliqiniso into oyikhuluma so nje ngiyaphela lapho bhuti ume nje kanjalo eqinisweni lakho ungavumi lutho.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.
So
Kwale Nkosi.
Sanibonani.
Umkhwanazi. Kunjani?
Ngihamba kanjani?
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Hayi siyaphila futhi no. Ngiyayithanda lenkulumo le because we are somehow holding each other accountable yabona. Hlezi ngisho ukuthi akudingi ukuthi ingane ikutshele ukuthi inangaphi ukuthi ibonise ingane. Mawuneqiniso nje uwumfethu uyakhona ukubona ukuthi lo muntu lo mncane kunami. Ngisakhuluma nje uyabona. Bese kuba ukuthi usuthatha advantage ukuthi uyamhlula ngenkulumo nangokucabanga yabona. But also I can also add ukuthi I think nayo justice system wona mfethu angicabanga ukuthi umuntu ona 16 years has the psychological power to decide to consent to his sex yabo 16 years you can think iqala lapho phezulu yabo ukuthi hawo 16 years khona una 16 mfethu ongathi nje ayibina sengiready ukulala isikhathi siphila kuso manje there are so many consequences sex more especially if umuntu emncane ngithi there's diseases manje mfethu thina singabaZulu-ke we know ama-spiritual effects okulala nje you understand hence
kodwa-ke mfethu sora kancane ngakuphula umlomo abe yabona mina ne abantu engijole nabo abancane beku-18 no-19 and labo bantu labo automatically abanye babo basuke sebephumile grade 12 so uyayibona loo nto leyo so lo ona 16 ayi mfethu
wena ubona ngakho wena mabena 18 19
Lusho ukuthi mhlambe ngina 35 33 yabo
mnewethu
angithi no sikhuluma iqiniso mamela sikhuluma iqiniso lapho
common again ibuyela kule nto bengisho ukuthi we are holding each other accountable ubafo nje mine 35 years ezolala nengane na 19 sele kancane sayizale leyo ngane asibe nje neqiniso uyabona uyayithula le ngane ucabanga you understand because leyo ngane ingane esasena 19 under i-supervision yabazali and if usasekuleso state leso akwazi ukuthatha certain decisions you understand but-ke bengekho ko-19 bengisakhuluma nje nge-justice system ukuthi ngifila ngathi bafethu kumele siyi-questione kwathina yabo ngoba khona umuntu owathi hayi u-16 years o-right and mina ngokwami ukubona waye-wrong loyo muntu loyo awukwazi ukuthi ingane na-16 years kumele ilale whether umfana or intombazane yabo isizathu esenza sisho njalo ukuthi iy'ngane ey'ningi zamantombazane ziba omama before ziba abafazi bese ayilokhu njani iy'ngane ey'ningi zabafana zibe obaba before ziba amadoda yabo zimethisa zincane amajita nje amethisa emancane engaka-understand engakazazi wawona engakayitholi just because umthetho uyavuma ukuthi hayi after 16 years hayi isuke sishayile and ngicabanga ukuthi i-wrong ngapi
nginawe lapho Nkwale ngicela ukuthi sizwe sisiyaya sawubona
Ninjani mfo?
ngikhona kunjani
Sanibonane. Ngisaphila, sanibonane endlini.
Sikhala.
Okay. Nkomonde I think ubonile izolo ngiyengakuthinta mayelana nale abantwana besikolo. Othi ama-teacher athandana nabantwana besikolo. Iyangithinta ke leyo because ngi-involved kakhulu my passion abantwana besikolo so bengu-chairperson we-SGB so ngangena ke kakhulu ke ey'kolweni ngisebenzisana nabantu base-district kuthi sengiphumile ke ekhaya akukho too far there's a high school not too far ngize ngitshelwe abanye bobhoti bala ekuhlaleni ukuthi kulesa sikolo abothishere balaphaya bajola nabantwana and bejola nabantwana khona omithise umntana kuthiwa lo mntwana mayimithisa mayicala ukujola naye ube na 14 seke na 15 manje lo mntana ngithi angeke yabo sizoyiqala kanjani ke manje ke number 1 yabo khona I think izolo kwakhona umuntu ocommentayo wathi inzima because abomama balabantwana a 15-year-old unomama ona 34 35 so bayayijabulela lo yamjolo owalo mntwana nalo t-shirt because uyabenefita umama wakhona so iba nzima ke ukuthi niyoyilanda kumama because umama naye uyayipush yonke lento now mina what I did ngayingena kanjani ke because ngiyayazi umthetho the South African Schools Act yabo ngayingena ngomthetho ngamiyeka umama ngayingena ngomthetho wesikole ngathi nje if we can get i-proof mangaba khona umuntu oyi-1 or abayi-2 abazothi iqiniso sacela i-appointment nesikole ne-school management team sacela i-appointment no-principal sacela ne-SGB sacela ne-school management team sabatshela sathi khona into nje sizwayo ukuthi khona uthishere omithise umntwana mistress khona bo-mistress esikolweni ngoba abanye abo-mistress nabanye abo-teacher they are not in favor of yonke lento athi singakacedi lo mistress athi ngiyabonga mphakathi ukuthi kube khona abantu abaneqiniso thina asikwazi ukumlwisa uthishere uyi-colleague yami ngifika la noma ngimtshela angikwazi ukwenza mix umuntu ofanele amthathele inyathelo uprincipal but only to find that ukuthi uprincipal lo tishere uyi-favorite kaprincipal sibize ke uprincipal sithi principal khona indaba eso uprincipal abe ngathi uyangena uyaphuma but senzeni ke thina siye komakhelwane la lo mntwana ahlala khona baqashile ngenhlanhla umqashi la baqashe khona ulandlord athi uhlaleza la uthishere ngempela uyamcheka lo mntwana uze walwa nomfana wami la endlini umfana wami emtshela ukuthi angasaphinda zela endlini sathi sicela ukuthi next time ayizile bathathe i-video imoto bathathe i-video sathola umngani walo mntwana naye lo mntwana umngani walo mntwana waba yi-witness wathi umngani walo mntwana I think waqala ke manje eba open give wathi mama uthishere waqala ngami waqala ukushela mina mangenza ugrade 8 ngathi wawuna ngaki wathi ngangina 12 ngizothana 13 guys imagine umntana ona 12 ozoba na 13 ukuthi kusasemanzi kangakanani ngathi mangibona yena lo ona 14 lo mithi ona 15 ngithi ithanga lakhe lalingana nengalo yami mina ngangithi mhlambe umuntu yabona osidudlanyana mhlambe uthi mangithi umntwana twana sayingena kanjalo sathola ukuthi safanele ukuthi sithole ke ama neighbors umama ngitshela ukuthi waphika umama walo mntana wathi le mntana one boyfriend yakhe sathi sicela ukubona i-boyfriend yakhe mayingabe uthi lo mntana umthiso akamithiswanga uthishere sicela ukubona i-boyfriend ike yavela i-boyfriend sahlala ke kuthishere safaka ku-social development angithi umama uyaphika ke manje bayaphika in most cases because bayabenefita kulento safaka ku-social development sathi sicela ama-DNA umntana mayevela sangena ke samshaya ngemithetho yonke uthishere esesikoleni because uthishere akavunyelwanga nje ukuthi after school hours abe nomntwana so uthishere because lama video lawana esesiwabonile sicela bomakhelwane ukuthi basithathele uma efikile uthishere uyabonakala ngabo ma-6 endaweni la ezocheck umntwana sathola lawo ma-video lawo umthetho uyamkhaba ke lapho ukuthi akakwazi yini la ekhuluma nomntana after lo you won't believe sathi sibabizile isikole i-SMT kona kwi-school management team bathi abanye bothishere sicela ukuconfess sicela ukuthi ingaqhubeki siya confess we are one of them. So ucaba kusuthishere oyi-1 baningi abothishere la abalala nabantwana. Sayilwa ngayenza sure ukuthi he gets dismissed, he's removed out of the system. Waphuma esystemini. Guess what? Yes, sometimes mina ecountryni yethu yabo lento yama-podcast lento esishoyo lento yama-podcast nalo bhuti o-entertainer ama-ex-convict, you know, like bayaba-televisa laphaya. Then I said to myself, okay, uJub ugijimisa abajolayo abachitayo. Xolani ugijimisa abama-drugs. Let me go and sell this idea. Ngahamba ngaya kuMojalaf. I sold the idea to them. Baba ngathi ba excited bathi si pilot ngathi khulekani. Abothishere nginabo abantwana already sengine list. Ngithi ngisabalindena namhlanje ukuthi bangifonele back ukuthi si pilot. Udoti bayakwazi ukusidlalisela wona eTV. But izinto ukuthi ze affecta, you know, thina abantwana bethu, because that was me to say we are having this problem. Is a yati district, you know, some guy odila ngama SGB. What yazi kimi sis, let me tell you, this is not the only school. And akusukula iSoweto nje kuphela. The whole country, nationwide, it's a big problem into abothishere abalala nabantwana.
And abana age limit.
Yabona ndaba.
From standard 6 to matric.
Can you imagine ukuthi umntwana ona standard ofunda standard 6 phela kusesekuncane una 13. Now here's the thing, uthi athi umuntu labantwana nabo bazilahlela, you know, ngathi I remember one of ama producers aseMojalaf, that's what she said. Wathi but labantwana, don't you think ukuthi bayazilahlela? Ngathi ngicela ukuthi ubuyele emuva. Let's go back. You're a woman. Isitshele mauna 15, 16. Ngathi isitshele mauna 15, 16.
Mfethu, ufethu sicela usicimele iradio siphazamisa.
Alright, skis. Yeah, sengiphume.
Yeah, sister qhubeka. Sisiyaya qhubeka.
Sisters.
Shawa network.
Yeah, akaqhubeke sifuna ukulalela kahle lo thisha.
Shawa network but ngiyathemba uzobuya uphumile. In the meantime ngicela sinikeze uTibo Touch. Tibo Touch.
Okay.
Wula kabahle bafethu.
Sharp uzithi.
Hayi grand kuwe.
Wula bafethu.
Hayi so. Sharp.
Bafethu ngiyayizwa into enringa ngayo. Yazi lento le isihlasele indawo zonke, more especially emakasi yabo. Mina ngila eDlenke yabo. Ikasi lami la eDlenke nakhona nathi sinayo inkinga kanjeni noma kungaingeningi ezikoleni kodwa yenziwa abajita abadala abasurroundini yabo. Abanye sebephumelele babhizi kakhulu nezingane ezincane. And into ebabhlungu isikhathi esiningi ngalento le ukuthi abazali bazo lezi ngane basuke beyivuna ukuthi kunezinto abayizuzayo from labajita abakhulile abenza lezi zinto. Abanye baze bayimithise. So uyabuka ukuthi ezweni le justice system yayo na isifeyile kakhulu, but lento uma cases amaningi isuka emakhaya yabo. Isuka emakhaya kubazali bethu. Yabo nje le ndaba yokuthi abantu bezale besebancane bekhulisa izingane bebancane, vele izingane ikhula ihlala ne stepfather kwenzeka amanyala, so ingakhi welela kunoma kubani noma ikanjani yona iyalimaza lento la.
Yeah.
Yabo bafethu. Yeah, so
yes.
inzima because even nama counselors okay sengeke ngwagxeka kakhulu manje abantu abadala basemphakathini abayiphakameli naye. Kunezinto abayiphakamelayo mina engasizi. Meseleze isile idinga ukupay attention to zona yabayinaki. Abayinaki impela. Yabo, so kunzima kona kuleli izwe lethu bafethu. Kunzima impela.
NgineNsomansomane la. Sibhekene nenkinga la madoda. Yazi ngicela nje uke ngibeke nami amabili ambalwa bafethu.
Okay.
Lento ngizoyiqala nje kothisha. Sonke nangenkathi nathi sisafunda mfethu. Sasiyibona yenzeka lento. And sicacise futhi lento phakathi kwabantu bebonkana akubona bonke othisha abakwenzayo lokho. Akubona bonke othisha besilisa abakwenzayo kodwa ngendlela esibuka ngayo nangendlela ekwenzeka ngayo kungazathi iningi labo liyayidlala lento leyo ukuthi belale nezingane ezincane abayifundisayo esikoleni. Bafethu before siqhubekela phambili nginikeza ithuba lokuthi before nginikeza ithuba lokuthi niPaul ngifuna ukucacisa into esi-ignorant towards yona eyenzakalayo ngalesenzo sethu siwobhuti abadala ukuthi silale nezingane ezincane siyinikeza imali ngoba nako abazali benga-afford ukuyinika imali. Number 1 lengane leyolala nayo lapha izongamhloniphi ubaba wayo noma uma wayo endlini kubo ngoba ilala nomuntu olingana nobaba wayo. And lo muntu olingana nobaba wayo ukwazi ukuyinikeza imali ubaba wayo angakwazi ukuyinika yona. Lo muntu lo ukwazi ukuyilalisa kuma B&B.
Yeah.
And kukodwa lokho kukhanda uqhekeko kwifamily. Yekela ke mase kuthiwa usuyikhulisile lengane because isikhathi esiningi labafowethu abenza lezi zinto lezi statutory rape lezi ngane bafike bayiphempare ngemali makusasemnandi encenga ukungena lapha ngaphansi kwephenti lengane. Mase kutholile lokho akufunayo ingane isikhulelwe bayayibalekela lezi ngane. Izingane ezalwa yilezo ingane zikhula zingenabo baba.
Yeah.
Majority yalabantu abadala mfethu siqala nje ngabo othisha ngifuna futhi ukuxwayisa kakhulu labafowethu abasanda ukubuya emavasithi abenza teaching ukuthi ngiya-understand ukuthi lezi ngane ezinye zibukeka ziwontanga ziyintombi kubona kodwa ba-understand ukuthi laphana kudingeka ukuthi ube professional makulesa space akusona isidleke sokuyozingela iy'ntombi lezi bafethu. Yazi bathi ukulimala komqondo ukulimala komzimba wonke. If lengane le isilimele engqondweni lala nothisha number 1 ukuyikhandla kwayo ezifundweni zayo kuzokwehla ngoba isizo expect ama favors from lo thisha.
Yeah, nje ama assignment.
And abanye othisha basebenzisa vele leyo nto ukuthi hayi ngizokuphasisa letter guys. Ilokhuzana i-justice system yethu la eMzansi ihlangane no-Department of Education no-South African Police Services no-Social Development. Lento ye-statutory rape kumele kube yinto esiyithathela ekhanda manje. Baningi mfethu abantu besifazane ababulawe i-depression bebancane be-infectwa ngama-HIV beshiwa nezingane ezingasupportwa. Yeah, understand. Labo bantu besifazane ba-end up bephelela ey'potini bedawa otshwala babekade bene-possibility or i-capability ukuthi bengaba ama-academics ngelinye ilanga. But ngoba kwavayolethwa ukuba yingane kwabo bafethu asivumeleni izingane zibe yingane. Yabona makuthiwa izingane ezididisana zodwa it's fine. Asike sivumeleni izingane zibe yingane.
Mara nala mahrotmane athi phela ukukhula phela ucocana nomntwana omncane nje. Wonga u80 something uzococa nomntwana o2005. Ucocana ingane.
Exactly
my
Noma phela ngiyazibuza phela nami benginabo ubuthisha labo bashoyo laba babuye emavasi abaye baze futhi babakhanselisa ama career abo omunye wagcina ayekelile evasi noma bekathandana nomntwana. Okay, waba ngithisha omncane, umthisha ona 24, 25, 2019. Watholakala ukuthi weekend utholana nomntwana esikolo. Bamkhanselisa vele i-career yakhe ke vele bese kusele 1 year ukuthi aqede. Bekenza ama-practical emva kwaloko wathola ukuthi weekend nge-NSFAS ngebhazari yakhe utholakala eklabhini nabantwana akabafundisayo. As much as bosho ukuthi bese babanani advantage ukuthi when comes assignment ubhalelwa ngithisha, homework, everything vele baphasa for free.
Exactly. Because
But after matric labo girl labo bakhona namanje omunye utoha kuphi la e-studio. But umatric wakhe wafela dismal vele noma from grade 10 to grade 12 vele bekuyikhondo end of the year nje kuba amakhondo. Okay, uyaphasa ugeli akalove uphasiswa nama class work. But when comes paper 1 trial yamshaya. Hayibo.
Wazini
But sengiyayibuka lento ke. Okay, even nami buka namhlanje bengikhula ngina 26. Angeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma nengane esenza ugrade 10. Ugrade 10 ngwenze 2015 ngizoxoxa naleyo ngane noma phela manje kufunakala impilo, kufunakala ibudget. Sengizoshela istudent umntwana osagcoka ibhakania. How come?
exactly because
So ngiyazibuza nami ukuthi umuntu wango 8 umtholamile esikolweni high school usawucheck umntwana esikole. Uxoxana umntwana esikole lengaka. Asuse nje utshwala ke noma okay izinto bayithanda asuse utshwala nezinto ezimnandi ke boma Doritos, chocolate asuse lo ucocana nayo lengane.
Yazithanda abantu ne mina this is what I was saying when I went ngisho njalo ngase I lost because okay umsebenzi wami my line of business ne ngiye-supply ezikolweni so ngisebenza nabo principal abaningi. I lost a lot of friends zabo principal because kukhona nabanye babe stowed yabona benza yona lento kulala nabantwana. Ngathi kuba ngase ngabatshela sangibafihlela ngathi ngifuna ukuthi mawubona le mntana ubone mina ubone ukuluza i-pension fund yakho. You understand? Because lento when I went to Emoja Love, one of our producer wathi kimi, but don't you think ukuthi labantwana abagqoki ba-entizer labo t-shirt? Ngathi mina mamela nge-last year yabo abo t-shirt when they doing their last year uma bezothola i-certificate sabo before bazothola because they get their diploma bese bathola i-certificate bayatshelwa whether he is 24 that guy ubona le mntana loyana uyi-parent ke manje akasasowubhuti akasasomfana to whether he's 24 but to that 16-year-old uyi-parent ufaneke ambone njengomntwana angamboni njengomfazi. I think it is just last ukusa nje kwabantu ukhala. I think one of the things maybe Emoja Love never entertained me because I think I was getting too personal now to say to them, guys, ngicela ningicaba yabo ngizithatha ngizibuyisela when I was 16. Yabona umntana entombazana uma iqala angeke ngize ngikhulume ngomfana. Yabona umntana entombazana mawukhuluma mawuthina 15 16 kula uqala uthomba khona, izinto ziyashintsha, you understand, emzimbeni usuqala uba nama crush nyana yabona khona lo mfananyana okuchazayo thina ke ngeenkathi zethu kwakuyintanga zethu, you understand, khona lo mfana uchazayo yabona usuqala suyageza usuba lo now le mntana loyana ona 15 16 that is what she is going through which is normal ne. But kube nale the adolescent, she's going through adolescence. That's what I was saying.
They're very vulnerable, Sisi.
They are vulnerable, Nana, in that stage, Dad. You understand? Now, kube khona leya pivot in a 30 that is going to take advantage of a stage salomntwana lo that she is going through. When as an educator, fanele kube wazi ukuthi this person is going through a stage. I just need to understand lento agowa through yona mina fanele mina njengamuntu omdala
high schools especially my high schools.
Yes so
another thing and another thing is that besides ukuthi le nkinga si solve on one side I feel like we should solve it na kwi side ngakulele linye side because now mina high school engangifunda kuyo angikhumbuli mina siba like nama talks about this thing. I feel like most of these young girls are not educated about this statutory rape because I feel like yabona if wangena kuzo zonke lezikolo wahamba ubuza umntana or maybe a girl, let's basically females I feel like akekho ongakuphenduleli ukuthi yini statutory rape. You get what I'm saying? Because bekunenye video I saw here on TikTok. This girl was found with an older guy, and now they are telling this girl, well, since we found you with this older guy and this is statutory rape, she was like, akangifostanga, which now iyabonisa ukuthi umntalo akayiboni ukuthi lento le iya how far and aka-understand ama consequences alento azifake kuyo, yena uya ngokuthi akangifosanga. You get what I'm saying? So I feel like most of these young girls don't understand ukuthi yini statutory rape and im-affecta kanjani umntana masesemncane, because masikhuluma iqiniso, these guys batshontsha ubusha balezi ingane, bayabutshontsha, like they're taking away their youth for, like, honestly.
Shimane lobo.
Yes.
Ngeke vele umdala uyimpohlo uzojoyina umntana wangu 2000 something usuka ku90.
Exactly, because
ngeke isikhathi
yazi mina
they know ukuthi adolescents, like their mind is vulnerable, ingqondo yakhe iyagijima, it's everywhere, ufuna uku-explore yonke into, so they're very vulnerable, guys. So
yazi mina guys ngihlezi ngisho lento as someone oya ku 40 years manje, guys, yonke ingane egqoka i-school uniform ingane yami le. Angikhathali ingane ezinqa, ingane ama-hips, ingagqoka izinto ezihalisayo, le yangane iwumntwana kimi.
Obvious.
Kufana nawo kuthiwa ake ngithi nje angikho kule age, bakhona uthisha abaningi abakuma early 20s lapha. Mina kungiphatha kabuhlungu, abafowethu bangena ey'kweledini bethenga iy'moto, bethenga iy'mpahla zokugqoka, yonke le effort yokuzama ukuzenza muhle nawe like ngathini yokukhanda i-image yakho, uyikhandela ukuthi uzolala ney'ngane ezingekho productive financial wise.
Ya tisha uhamba ngepholo, tisha uyaswenka.
Injani uyaswenka uthisha, uthisha uyaswenka, uthisha uhamba ngemoto esportiwe esikoleni, uyovunyiwe, kodwa uhlula ukushaya omeme staff room. I-target yakhe lezi ingane bafetha asimusana
because they know ukuthi labantu laba ingqondo yabo iyaphithiza, bayazi ukuthi basheshe bachazwa into encane. Okay, what I'm saying. So instead of them teaching them ukuthi njengoba ungi-idolize, njengoba ungibona ngi-role model yakho, it's okay, I'll teach you how to get there, not ukuthi ngikumanipulate into dating me and getting those things. Guys,
yabona angigqugquzeli lento engizoyisho ne, kodwa mina ngibuye ngisho ngithi bayalayeka lezi ntwana ey'ncane mazibafaka imkhonto zibagxobe emathaveni, ngoba into ebalulazayo yilento yokujola. Yabona ukubanga intombi nabafana abancane ba-end up bengakuboni as umuntu omdala, ba-end up bekubona njengembangi yabo. Yabo uyothola isimanga kuyi-weekend, kuyi-concert kuphi intwani i-attenda ngoba iyazi ukuthi uzobe ukhona lapho. Mawufika lapho ucushwa ngento encane uyalinyazwa ngokuthi ulwisana ukujola ney'ngane ey'ncane. And okungizwisa ubuhlungu kunako konke lokho, abafethu abaningi abanayo indaba noku-check izifo. Ya understand, kunabantu abangazazi ukuthi bayagula kodwa begula. Ya understand, babona ngaleli langa mhlawumbe umuntu engasavukeki embhedeni. Abantu bahambe ethi umuntu engazazi ne-status sakhe kodwa ubushintshashintshana ney'ngane zesikole ngaphandle kwe-condom. Ekugcineni le ngane yesikole mhla ibuyelwa ingqondo iyofuna ukujola nontanga wayo. Umntanga wayo bengazange azayiphatha budlabha yena. Mayefika kuleyo ngane, leyo ngane kwakade efisa ukuthi kube yintombi yakhe. Mayefika kuleyo ngane lo ntanga wakhe lo useyi-stepfather number 1.
Ya into engibuya kiyo leyo.
Okuyinto mina against yona ngenhliziyo yami yonke leyo. Number 1 useyi-stepfather, number 2 uzothola ukugula kule ntombi ayefisa ukuthi okuyintombi ngathina okuyintombi yakhe yamaphupho, angisho njalo.
Yeah.
Mayeseyithola yena usezoyithola esigula isizogulisa naye. Ngane zakwethu yabona kumele sikubeke kucaci kwi-youth, osisi bethu abaningi abayibonayo lezi zinto esiyikhuluma kulama page ukuthi mina guys ngisuke ngingathuki inhlamba mangikhuluma against izinto ezenziwa abantu besifazane khona osisi ababonayo ukuthi ngisuke ngiqonda ukuthini labo sisi abanjalo ngicela ukuthi balispread leli gama mfethu einganeni zamantombazana ukuthi the more we expose kubantu besilisa is the more ivele yakho idropa kumuntu wesilisa oyombona as itype ekufanele at a later stage you end up uaccept noma yini eqhamuka endleleni yakho ngoba wablowa ubusha bakho sasemncane guys kuyiqiniso lokho noma singangafuni ukuaccepta inganza kwethu the more intombazane iba ne body count eningi and ilalana nabantu engamele ilale nabo isikhathi singakafiki loyo muntu uluzi value nganza kwethu but ke osisi abaneqiniso osisi abasemendweni osisi mhlambe abakuma relationship asolid yibona bazospreada lelo gama angilindele ukuzwa umuntu wesifazane obona ukushintsha amadoda kuyinto enormal ukuthi ngangizwa mangikhuluma lento
mina semakhayeni ababuya kuwo I feel like abakhulumi nale ngane because umuntu masafika ku-adolescent stage I feel like that's when you are able to talk izinto ezenzakalayo ngaphandle even if kunzima ukuthi uzikhulume noma kungekho mnandi uzikhulume but I feel like it's necessary ukuthi bazikhulume lezi zinto nabo labantwana labo because now uthola umzali ongathi uyasaba ukukhuluma nengane yakhe ambonisa izinto vele asazozibona emhlabeni ngaphandle le angikho yini
Nkomonde yazi lento oceda ukwesho mina ngize yabo ngibe personal ngibona wonke umntana wentombazana ngimbona njengomntanami you know ngikhumbula mangicala ngiba nabo ma 15 16 I think umama uyangibona sengicala yabona nyagezeka I'm on the phone why you making this yabona sengicala nyagezeka yabo sengiba athi umama and umama mele abantu mabekhuluma kuzwa next door next door ne athi uzujole namakhehla uyangizwa uzujole namakhehla azokumunca legazi uzogcwala igazi lamakhehla ngathi isikhathi laso ngisaseyintombazana angikakayilo I'm coming okay angikakabi yabo ngisaseyintombazana angikakalali nangu mama seke ngitshela ngento but yabona lento leyana wayinstila ne wayifaka engqondweni ukuthi
lying fact esiskipa kuyo yonke lento I think ipoverty idlala irole enkulu kuyo yonke lento
kakhulu futhi
yabo ipoverty idlala irole enkulu kakhulu kulento ngoba nakho mina ngiyakwazi ukunikeza lengane ukuthi ingene no plastic ekhaya kubo kuzothulwa kungakhulunywa lutho ngikhwele yonke into ngikhwele umama ngikhwele usisi wakhona ngikhwele ngisho yona lengane encane kulowo muzi ayibhlungu lento esiyibona ibhlungu kodwa lento enzekalayo ku society ofethu
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Ngingale ngashongo what I wanted to say.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqolisa ukundisturb. I just wanted to say into engifuna kuyisho before ngikhola. It takes a village to raise a child. A whole village. And involvement yabazali ezikolweni is very low.
True.
Mama uya kuma parents meeting la ubona like so many parents are not involved in their kids school life or activities. And I hate to say this, but more abo baba, they are very lacking in terms of attending ama school activities or ama meetings or nje involvement yabantwana. It's very low. And you esibadinga more than anything to have many men coming in forces to be shielding abantwana bethu. To be shielding both girls and boys, they need to be shielded by amadoda wethu. And the thing here, I heard Puti saying about the body count being important to women. Also men. Why are you not also nisabisa abafana with the body count? If na escalator, it should also be bad for both women and men, not only one-sided. Because it's a balance kanjani. Dibalansa kanjani if only intombazane ukuthi vala wena vala amathanga and then a boy says wena chisa amathanga. Ayibalance. Because they're gonna make it a mission to have a body count high as men, and then amantombazane they should now run away on closing legs. It should be balanced both. So you know what? Separation. A main goal is raising, trying to have solid families, trying to build a decent community. Phela manje dezenzakalayo nje emhlabeni ezoho. Dala wena masikhula. Bawusa ukubona umuntu omdala ucabuza umuntu boyfriend umuntu omdala adlula. Because why? It was a community. Kids were raised by a community.
True.
So manje when you only shielding your child, forgetting what your child is going to be affected by this boy, low neglect or say next door or 4 streets away or whatever area. Ubheke wakho nje kuphela. It takes a village. And abantu abalekhaya ama leaders aswadingayo it's men and the men are failing us. Because why? Ni trailer behind. Aniko kuma parents meeting. Umntana udlala ibhola awukho. Umntana uya ku dancing abafana bekho. How many single mothers are there, which is another issue yenye ithinta nokuthinta nje when a pandemic on its own. Men are not there. Men are not taking leadership. That's what we need. Khona manje you are stressed nonke ni emphasize ukuthi intombazane, yes, very as a woman who water umntwana, yes, we're in danger. But let us bring our boy kids along to say this is how also as indoda kwamele uziphathe kanje. So that we don't have so many single fathers abaqala impilo yabo entsha because bona abanamaqo ukuthi banabantwana. Only women have that dent ukuthi uzalile. But it doesn't help in any way to say only concentrate on girls. We need to bring these boys up. We need to protect a boy child as well. And then teacher parents need to be involved. No, do you know ukuthi teacher yomntana kubani? Do you know you contract your teacher? Does it stipulate you contract your teacher? Waze walala nomntana esikolo. This is what's going to happen to you. You're going to lose your license. You're going to lose your job.
No,
Bengeke babe comfortable enough ukuthi balale nabantwana had parents been involved, had we know i-contract ukuthi kungene uteacher we-maths omusha, i-contract ifundiwe, he knows what he signed for. I-behavior yomntana noma izihlalo abantwana siyahlala oyenze homework, you know you can just engage ukuthi umntana wakho ukuphi mentally so that you can protect your child. No, mahleli nomntana ayenze homework uba involved uyabona kusekakhulile sekakuphi sekacabanga along which line sekafihla amabele, then you know ukuthi no maturity stage seyaqala manje yakhipha in. This is now the enforcement okumele ukuthi uyenze to protect umntana. But we need our baba forward, we need our malume forward because now we are perishing.
Can I add to the other panel, please, before I forget?
Ngicela take over nje ngoba sengiba emotional, but yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Siyabonga kodwa nge-input yakho sisibuli. Thanks for your input. Yeah, siswamqhubeka ukuthini?
Thank you for the opportunity. Hello to the panel. And then to Nang, in the truth is fully for me. Let me just say, I can't say as South Africa or as Africans who are facing a problem in terms of dysfunction. I was asking myself, because I'm working with kids that are there sometimes, how can you allow a girl child to walk with a centimeter of a skate to school? As we are growing up in a generation whereby when you're looking at a teacher, you will be looking at an elder person, a parent. You are scared to just do anything to a teacher. But nowadays, those kids, they are just, I think that the thing of rights, events are what cross the lines of life, those kids, I can say. And then going back to dysfunctional homes, let us show Ubuli, it's very, very destroying our black families with. Because as girl child, we're not scared of mama. Umama uzonkhabarisha noma ngaphuma ngo-10 endlini ngibuye. And the painful thing is that yeah, it's so painful. Can I just stop there? Because I've got a lot, but
hayi sisabigeli woza nazo awukwazi ukujika endleleni silapha isizwe la woza nazo Abigail.
Komonde. Yes guys, sikhule. Yabona mina sometimes ngiye ngithi I think while lamalanga kumosheke kakhulu. It's this ilento yama rights ne nokuyinweba kakhulu lento. Guys, most yabantu, you know, I'm not disputing what Usisi has just said, ne? Into coming from dysfunctional families, into yakudala, it has been there. But uthishere kwakuthishere thina ma school, you understand? If ekhaya uphuma ekhaya elingekho right, ukufika kwakho esikolweni, that was your safe haven esikolweni. If singashintshwa mentally
I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, like life, like I want for me. You know me. You good life. So
bafethu ngiyanizwa ne
Ngisandokuzwa, I agree with uSisibuli. Uqinisile mayikhuluma indaba yokuthi ama-genders wethu kumele siwenze abe aware of ubuwrong bokuhambulala yabo. Singathi nje amantombazane kuphela. Yiwa wena izili. Nathi nje singabantu besilisa yabo, we should know ukuthi kahle kahle because umuntu umgrume encane ukwazi ukuthi okay ziphathe kahle. So that's one day when you become a husband, someone's husband, umuntu oyobomshadile angabi nenkinga zokuthi wena usahamba uyalala because wakufunda okuncane lokho ukuthi nje wona ku-right ukuhambulala. Number 2, lamalo kunjani labo bani nje lona labo thisha laba okanye labantu abadala abalala nezingane masikhuluma nje iqiniso bayakwazi ukuthi ku-wrong ngoba bona bayabakhuza osisi babo abancane ukuhamba belala kodwa bona futhi baphinde balale nezingane ey'ngangosisi babo. You understand? So accountability is very important on both sides, both genders. You understand? Asibambisane sonke sikhuzane.
Ya kuzwakele bafethu mina-ke ngiyakubona ngathi siyikhela phezulu yonke lento. Ngiyanizwa ngikhuluma nangama-dysfunctional families ne but mina ngibuza ukuthi thina as amajita asekhulile kulaba bafethu abala kwipaneli la majita asekhulile angangathi siyayazi na i-impact esiyenzayo ngokulala nezingane ezi-under age siyazi na
Liyasuhlwa Setswana mo paneleng.
ana kuyasuhlwa sister.
Rasul.
Okay, ne ke kopa o fa bo mme advice ne. Ke a utlwa ba bua ka di-dysfunctional families. So ne ke re mo bona if bana ba bona ha ba bua sekolong ba ka lena go ba botsa di-questions tsa hore how was school, what happened, did anyone touch you, ba tlogela go focusa ko hore monna wa ntlo wa jola and everything a lwane le stress seo a botse ngwana gae gore ko sekolong kgwetsagetseng jwang and then so that a tlo kgona mo thusa. I think problem e ka ba solved from mo he ba tswadi bomme ba ka nka karolo. Immediately ha ba bua sekolong ke dumellana le buli ne mara es basadi a ke ga tseba o ke gona dimpokoto di tshwereng family. Yeah, so ngwana ha bua sekolong wa mo botsa hore what happened ko sekolong, how was it, gona le motho e leng gore o entse ntho e wentseng gore o feel uncomfortable. So then o tlo gona o thola solution as motswadi because most of the parents like ba focused haholo gore monna ha bua mosebetsing tlametse ba mbotse no jora la eng and then o neglect ngwana ha mo botse gore o etsagetseng ko sekolong. So as basadi ne ke kopa at least re itlhokomele ntho eo re tlogela o focusa haholo ko banneng gore wa jola o ko ntle ha se o bue ka 12 o tlo mo founela ko founung. Focus on the child.
Thank you very much. Ngiyayithanda leyo point yakho Mtama.
Thank you.
And what is again but oh okay yeah sure
You're right.
sharp is it
Hayi bengifuna ukungenelela lapho aqeda ukusho usisi lapho ukuthi kufanele abantwana abomama bababuza ukuthi bekunjani esikoleni. I agree with that, ne? It's part of fixing, but the bigger point is that abantwana nakhona fanele siba understand ukuthi abantwana they learn from seeing. They don't learn from talking to them. They do what you do as the parent. Be it you are the mother or you are the father or ama cousins abahlala nabo, whoever they stay with, what they see all the grown-ups doing, they will do. So right mangizwa mabesakhuluma nge-family dynamic ukuthi it needs to be fixed from the get-go. That one is a big point ukuthi ubaba makakhona endlini. It's an advantage and it's a big advantage because umntwana or umfana can see what they are supposed to do when they get to an age where they have umfazi naye ekhaya. So uzofunda ukuthi how do I take care of umfazi wami from a young age, uqala ukufunda lento leyo, and they get to see umamabo ukuthi yena how does she treat ubaba wakhe, so that they can expect that type of treatment from their own wives mase bakhulile. That's a bigger point ukuthi since manje sokumoshekile, mostly it's single parents and single things. That's a big disturbance ekhona okufanele ilungiswe kuqala ukuthi we need to find a way to go back to a family dynamic where we can instill immoral, respect, ama-disciplines anjalo ebantwaneni from a young age, because trying to fix it sesikhulile, you're trying to fix umfana sekana 25 years uzokubuza ukuthi where were you when I was young? Yabo, it's an example of ukuthi you cannot be a father of a child or umfana ungene wena ngo-3 a.m. udakiwe, and then umama womntwana lo wakutshela ukuthi no,
Very true.
wakho ungene ngo-10 naye. Ma wena sowumkhuza the following morning, there is a question azokubuza ukuthi wena bowukuphi. You understand? So whatever you do, naye umfana wakho will do the very same thing, and then as a mother, whatever you do, your daughter will do the very same thing, even if Sagahroti, when she is a wife to someone, she will do what she saw her mother doing when she was growing up, because that's her playing field, that's her playground, that's what she has in her toolbox. She cannot have Vincent or Asmon with TV. It won't work. That's a bigger issue we need to tackle.
Kuyazwakala gazi lami ushayile lapho. Bafethu bengicela ukubeka umunye 2 cent nje ongifikelayo engqondweni yami sisasekulo lolu daba. Uyazi ingane zakwethu, I think it's important ukuthi i-role yamakhosi omdabu ibonakale kwi-society. Uyabona lento leyo yokugcizelela ukuthi kwi-black society sibe nama households nama parents awu2. Leyo nto kumele mhlawumbe njengathi njengoba siyisizwe samaZulu kumele ngabe inkosi yethu iyawa instilla lawo ma principles kwi nation yawo. Lamantombazane lawa ahamba into zomhlanga lezi zama virgin bekumele kube nento efana nama scholarship noma ama bursaries ayicatch kulezi ingane ekhulayo ukuthi yazini if ngiyiphathe kahle ngaze ngaqeda umatric ngaphasa kahle ngingathola ibursary ezongihambisa ngiyofunda whatever ngifuna ukuyifunda. If ngiqede varsity ngisase virgin ibursary yami ngizohamba ngiyosebenza like ngibakhokhele back ngeservice yami, but if ngiqede sebengigqekezile abafana kuzomela ngikhokhe mase ngisebenza ngikhokhe back le mali yade bengikhokhela yona kuma studies. And nabafana as well kube nento ezifana nalezo ezibaqhelisa ebugebengini, you understand, but eziba i-catch straight from the royal family, you understand. Leyo nto ibiyo builder i-nation yabantu abama-academics, yabantu futhi abantu aba-self-reliant, ya understand, yabantu abangeke bethi uma bephuma ey'koleni beyele ukuyo-idolize izinto abayibona kothisha lapho because bebezokwazi ukuthi uma ngiy'phathe kahle ngizoyithola lezi zinto ngesikhathi sami. Yeah, understand leyo indlela mina engicabanga ngayo leyo ukuthi namakhosi kumele siwubone umsebenzi wawo, kungagcini ukuthi sithi inkosi iyinkosi kodwa singaboni isandla esifakayo kwilo kwi-society.
Kuthiwa ama-370 anikwa amatshitshi.
Hayibo kanjani manje?
Hayi.
Yeli labule ngingazoganga.
Hey yazi ngangengidida nje manje kanjani?
Yeah, but iqiniso guys ilo lelo. I do feel ukuthi kuzo zonke izizwe ekhona la within South Africa, kuwo wonke ama tribes akhona. Ubukhosi bakhona buthola imali eningi every year, yeah, understand. It's only fair ukuthi ba give back to ama nation abawalidayo sibali. And ngaleyo ndlela asike nje sibe neqiniso ngani zakwethu. Take a look angazi noma iningi lelo ngenafika ineVenda. Kunendawo abathi iVenda eLimpopo. eLimpopo lapha eVenda wena indawo yangakini oyithembile ukuthi isabapho kuyilo lelishupisayo ngakini. Ngakho lapha eVenda bayibiza ngevillage, indawo edlula leyo ndawo yangakini. I understand leyo. Isizwe samaVenda ngathi sasheshe sayicalculator lento ngoba mawuthi uyabuka isizwe samaVenda guys asiyeka ama-pass rate o-matric, sibuka ama-pass rate ama-academics abuye ema-tertiary. iVenda iyalida ngani zakwethu. iVenda ngokumuva nje as a black person, iVenda iyasehlula sonke and kumele sibukele kuyo iVenda. And lezi inkinga lezi sibhekane nazo la zothisha abalala izingane zesikole angisho ukuthi azikho endaweni efana naseVenda, kodwa mazikhona isibalo sakhona sifana nalathini siphuma khona. Cause mawubheka kulesizwe samaVenda ubukhosi bakhona bunesandla. Mkhwanazi uyasiphazamisa mfowethu.
Angezi?
Khwanazi
uyasiphazamisa
ndoda.
Ngiyaxolisa mfethu, ngiyaxolisa. Phephisani bafowethu, phephisani.
Sure.
Khona simyuda.
Yabona. So ngani zakwethu asike sikhulumeni iqiniso. Ubukhosi bonke obukhona bumele bungenelele endleleni zokuphila kwama-society akhona. Yeah, understand. Njengoba sinama broken families kanje ama-structure ama-families esinawo kwama-broken structures, ubukhosi bethu umsebenzi wawo ukuthi u-instille ama-rules ukuthi isizwe sami abantu bakhona kumele baphile kanje. And nathi siyabazali siyingane kumele manje siqale sikwazi ukukhonsuma iqiniso. Singezwe abantu abakhuluma iqiniso sengazathi abantu abakhuluma izinhlamba. Ngicela ukunikeza abanye ithuba abakhuluma. Ubani ofuna ukukhuluma?
Ya ngiyakuzwa wena bhuti wami ne. And maridala uma ungayikhumbula kahle bekuba khona izinto not ezinjalo ukuthi bebathola umvuzo onendlela oyibeka ngayo. Dala bekuba khona indlela yokuthi thola ukuthi mina ngihambe ngilale nomntwana wako bani umakhelwane bese akakhulelwa lo mntwana loyo. Bekuba khona indlela zokuthi babonisa abanye abantu lento eyenzakile wrong, njengokuthi umntwana ontombazana bazomxosha kubo kwamanye ama-family utholi nawo umfana bazokuxosha kimi futhi kuze nalabo abasemuva babone ukuthi lento eyenzwe laba ngathi ayikho right. Like besiba khona like correctional ways zokushow ukuthi lento levela siyifuni kufanele baqale bashade bathathane nani. Mara manje because of le dysfunction yenzakele ugcina sothola sokwi-situation of ukuthi mina umntana wami umfana ma angakhulelisa somewhere, ma lo wentombazana beyamxosha kubo nami ngiyamxosha lo wentombazana. ugcina manje angasanandawo la aya khona. That's one way. The other way is yokuthi umntana makakhulelise owentombazana somewhere, umama walo wentombazana akenzi nix. Nami angisukumeli indaba le ukuthi ngihambe ngosho ukuthi no khona into eyenzakele fanele ilungise sivele sithule sonke, uyabo. Icala lapho nje inkinga ukuthi nawo labo bashoyo labo basebukhosini ukuthi bangangenelela kuzoba nzima because bazogcina sebayithola belwa nabazali balabo bantwana ukuthi ningena kanjani into engasiyena, yabo. Because I know mina quite a few people engibaziyo ukuthi khona ugelo ukuthi wakhulelwa nje umama wakhe ngeke azingene nje, uyokutshela ukuthi umntanami ngowami ngizozikhulisela lowo mntwana and angifuni nokumbona ubaba lowo mntwana, so A1 nje uzoyilwisa. And then bese okuhlangana nobaba womntwana womfana naye othi yena lo ntombazana wayeza lana ndangimfuni. You see ukuthi sokune crack in between isasuka nje, uyabo.
Ngiyakuzwa gazi lami. Uthini umuntu?
Sanibonani.
Sanibona man.
Ninjani?
Sikhona njani?
Yaphila uphumzile akaphuma lesikhawini Richards Bay okhulumayo. Benzoqale ngiphakamise iphuzu lokuthi bengicela ukuthi siushare live awuve ubaluleke kakhulu si-like si-share so that isoba nama-views abo ngaphezulu because mangibuka the time ingena mina abengapheyiwa lawa but asehlile and I know isizathu salokho ngoba kukhulunywa amaqiniso. Okay, ipoint lesibili kuzoba ukuthi kuyo yonke lento eyenzeka la emhlabeni njengoba yenzeka nje ngiblame abazali. Why ngiblame abazali na? Izinto eziningi uma uthi uyabheka uyalandelela thina ma-80s ma-90s ma-70s indlela esikhule ngayo abazali bebenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi akakuncengi, ubekutshela iqiniso umzali akuhlalise phansi kube kuwena ukuthi uyakuthatha noma ukuthatha. And lokho okuningi kwakhona sesikubonile imiphumela yakho ukuthi ngempela ukube sabalalela abazali ngaba sikho la sikhona. So into enza ukuthi ngithi ngiyabablame abazali bamanje and thina esikhuliswe ngalendlela ave sesi-weak ngalendlela ukuthi umntwana uphuma endlini ekhona umzali. Okay, abanye basuke bengekho abazali but if bengathiwa siyabambisana sonke ngabe yonke lento eyenzakalayo ayikho. Even umntwana ngimkhulisa mina kuwami uma ngabe ezokwenza into wrong phambi kwamakhelwane thola ukuthi umakhelwana uzongayingeni ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi mina ngithintwa. Mina nje ekhaya ezakithi ingane or ngithi ezami nezosisi bami zazi kahle nathi sikhule sijola kodwa azikaze zisibone sigijima nabafana egcekeni or phambi kwasekhaya or around. Kangangokuthi ingane eziningi zakwamakhelwane mina ngasekhaya esikhawini bezingazi kahle manje ngayibona nje hamba nomfana even if ngathi umngane wayo ngifusekisa same time ngitshele kahle ngithi la akekho ingane ayikho ingane intombazane ezogijana nabafana noma ngabe umngane wakho ugcinana nesikoleni uma usungasekhaya awuhloniphi khona umuzi wakini kuphela but uhlonipha igama labazali bakho uhlonipha umuzi wakini. So ngiyabablame kakhulu abazali ngoba izinto ezenzakalayo ingane yakhe umakhelwana wakho izoma nabafana egeyithini lakini or lasemzini wakho uthi uyamtshela umakhelwana athi hayi ubengekho phela ngapha ekhakubo uright ekhona lapho. Uthini ngesithunzi somuzi wakithi? Uthini ngesithunzi sasegcekeni lakithi ukuthi kuzogcogcoma abafana? So enye into ukhona la okhulume ngendaba yokuthi obaba ngeke akubalekanga kakhulu ukuthi wara no. If ungathiwa obaba bayangenelela empilweni zamadodakazi kungawenza kakhulu umehluko ngoba ibona futhi obaba abangayitshela iqiniso like 100% ngoba uzobe ekhuluma ngento ayaziyo njengomfana njengendoda njengomuntu osilisa enganeni yakhe entombazana ukuthi abafana bazokwenza u1 no2 no3 ngoba uzobe ekhuluma ngento ayaziyo yena kungawenza kakhulu umehluko. Lokho ngiphathe kabi uma ngibona abanye bobaba laba fethu abakhuluma ngalendlela ukuthi bona bengamadoda ngeke no guys, iqiniso must be told. Iqiniso kube iqiniso singalokhu simbencenza no akungambenzezwa. Yebo umama engayidlala indima But uma ngabe ingane isifike esigabeni lami esikwazi ukuphendula khona isilalela abangani instead of ukuthi ilalela unina, iyamdinga nobaba ozoyitshela exactly lento yena naye ayiphilayo or ayiphilile, cause bakhona abanye abenza lento kodwa emadodakazini abo angabulala umuntu. So ingiphatha kabi kakhulu lento le. Ingiphatha kabi kakhulu ngoba bona laba bantu besilisa laba yibo laba abajike begijimisa ingane ezincane. Bese beyabaleka futhi okubuhlungu egcineni. Ingane imithi inezifo abaleka hamba yoqhubeka nezingane. Umbuzo wami ngicela ukuthi anyone ongangiphendula la. If ungathiwa lento yenza kulezi ingane lezi yenziwa kwezakhe ingane uyokwenza njani, ungavuma yini? Ngicela impendulo oyedwa nje ozothi nje cha mina sisi ngicela ukuphendula. If ungathiwa yenzeka einganeni zakho zamantombazane ezikhulayo, ngoba okubuhlungu izono zabazali ziyowela ebantwaneni. Lento yenza einganeni zamantombazane usazozala, usazoba nabazukulu bamantombazane. uNkulunkulu avesane enze isimanga akushintshe ngalendlela ukuthi ube street ungafuni lutho enganeni zakho zamantombazane kanti umuntu usekhohle ukuthi yena wayenzani enganeni zabantu. Ngiyabonga bafethu, ngicela sizame ukuvala ama-mic, ayasiphazamisa abanye abafuna ukuvala ama-mic. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu nathi sister, siyabonga ngamazwi akho. Mabizo,
Can I
come
say
back.
something?
Yeah. Come back to Petros.
No, woman. Come back.
Aye.
Boy.
Ngizengangena. Yazi ngibonga nje. Okay, kahle kahle ngiqale ngangena ngabingelela, ngizocela ukubingelela uyaya naye ngoba ngene kamuva. Mfowami angazi ngiswela amagama okukubonga. Cishe last week besikade sila ku TikTok sikhuluma bekuyisekuseni. Kodwa sengibona ngapha nangapha. Lokuthiwa big up. And nami ngiswela amagama ukuthi ngiphinde ngicizelele ekuthenini konke okuyiqinisa kuhlala obala. Konke okuyiqinisa kuhlala obala. Ngiyajabula nangabe sengibona amanye amadoda evula izifuba. Kusho ukuthi ufike wayikhahlela lento ebivalile lapha efubeni zamadoda. Asibonga Petros mfethu, asibonga. Nangathi ngithinta kancane la.
Uzumdumisa amagama engingawazi izwi.
Welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Famous word and Nkomonde. I was live today and the paper tingitinzaba ayabothishela labajola nebantwana labancane and bantu bobhodi lenabo bajola nebantwana labancane sengokuthi it's time ukuthi bayisukumele indzaba lefana nalena, because bothishela they are dating these kids because bayabona ukuthi bayabaqinzetela ngokwengcondo, and they are saying ukuthi these teachers need to be dealt with, or they need to be arrested. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.